Pressure power wash. We're going to show you how to take the pulley off a TSF2021. Okay, these bolts right here are where the bolts were to hold this pulley on. You take these bolts from the hold position and you're going to switch them to the screw position, and what's that going to do is push this pulley against this plate. Okay, and that's going to slide the pulley off of this plate, decompression this ring, and you'll be able to slide this off with no problem. You're going to have to put some torque on it because this is a big boy. That's not the small guy, but I guarantee it will work. You don't need a pulley puller or nothing like that. You just need to get these bolts in there. You have to torque these all the way down, and it'll push against the back plate. If you look here, and that will push off this pulley, off of this pulley, and you're ready to go. Hope that all helps you guys out. The bolts in, and we have screwed them all the way down, and as you can see, it's pushing the pulley off. You have to tighten these evenly, or else you're going to break the bolts. All right, half a turn, half a turn, half a turn, and you're going to do that about 4 or 5 times. That'll pop that pulley right off, and it looks just like that. As you can see, it's very simple, and this one will pop off also. You got to loosen the set screw that's in here, so use WD-40 here, but this will come off really easy once you unloosen the set screw. You might have to use a pulley puller on this, but maybe not. It all depends how old your machine is. Hope that helps. Y'all have a good one.